In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva, a fantastic tool for all your design needs. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva offers something for everyone, with numerous templates and a user-friendly interface that makes designing fun and easy. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your Canva homepage. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it's really simple to set one up. Just go to canva.com and follow the prompts to sign up, which only takes a few minutes. Once you're on your homepage, you'll notice a lot of different options for design, which is great because Canva can handle everything from social media posts to flyers to presentations. Our focus today, though, is on creating a YouTube banner. On your Canva homepage, you'll see a button labeled Create. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a search bar where you can enter the type of design you're looking to create. Type in YouTube banner and hit enter. Canva will then show you a variety of templates specifically tailored for YouTube channel art. Why templates, you might ask? Well, starting with a template can save a lot of time and help ensure your design is the right size and resolution for YouTube. Once you've found a template that suits your style or the message you want your channel to convey, click to select it. Canva's editor will load, displaying your chosen template. Now comes the creative part, personalizing your banner. You can change the text to include the name of your channel or a tagline that captures what your channel is about. Feel free to experiment with fonts and colors until you find a look you're happy with. Adding images or icons can also elevate the design and make it uniquely yours. Canva comes with a library of free elements you can use, or you can upload your own images to the platform. Just click Uploads, then Upload Files to bring your images into the Canva workspace. As you work, remember to take advantage of Canva's alignment tools, which help ensure everything is placed perfectly and looks professional. If at any point you want to start over or try different ideas, you can always choose a different template or undo your last actions with a few simple clicks. Once you're satisfied with your design, double-check that everything looks just the way you want it. When you're ready, click Download at the top right of the screen, select your preferred file type, and download your new YouTube banner to your device. Now you're all set to add a professional touch to your YouTube channel and catch the eye of anyone who visits. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing. Bye.